wonder who's at the door. Oh, it's the assistant. Hi, assistant.
Hi.
Hey, assistant. Here's Wiggles. Are you going to be a good doggy sitter for Wiggles?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you know he has to go to bed at 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, and maybe give him a bath. And whatever you do, assistant, don't let him eat this bone.
Okay, what will it do?
It will make him a bad doggy.
Put on.
Don't let him eat this bone, okay?
Okay.
All right. We gotta go. Bye, assistant. Have fun with Wiggles.
I've got to get Wiggles' bathtub ready. Where should I put this bone? Oh, how about right here? I'm going to place it right there. I'm going to go fill up his bathtub.
No table's gonna stop me. No way.
Wiggles, you ate the bone!
Well, assistant, you've met your match. Watch this. I'm gonna take off. So long, assistant.
This engineer's going to be totally mad at me. Come back. Wiggles, come back!
I bet the assistant would like for me to get her some toilet paper. Just a little. No, I'll get her a lot. Yeah. Oh, assistant, look what I
Wiggles,
have.
what are you doing? Wiggles! Wiggles!
So long, assistant. Gotta go.
Wiggles! What's that doing with all that toilet paper?
Why, looky here. The assistant left the peanut butter out. I think I'll just help myself to some. I like peanut butter. Oh, yeah, this is so good. Oh, yeah, I'm not supposed to have peanut butter, though. No. It kind of like, yeah, I really shouldn't have it. Assistant, she's nowhere to be seen. She's just cleaning up the toilet paper. What was I doing? Oh, yeah, I'm going to eat some more of this yummy peanut butter. Oh, I hear something. Oh, she's coming.
Wiggles, what are you doing? You're eating all the peanut butter!
Assistant, you can't catch me. Assistant, where'd you go? Oh, there, you can't catch me. Nope, I'm too fast. I'm Wiggles. Oh, yep. No, wait. Oh, I'm over here. Assistant, woohoo. Yep, I'm fast. Whoa, that bone supercharged me. Okay, I'll let you catch me. Yeah. No, I won't. No, I won't. Bye. Oh, assistant, right here I am. Assistant, where'd you go? Here I am. Yeah. That's why Mr. Engineer said it was a bad bone. It makes me bad to the bone.
Let go!
Watch out, assistant. I'm gonna make it look like you can catch me, but you can't. Assistant, where'd you go? Oh, so close. So close. Where's that peanut butter? Ah! Ooh, she almost got me that time. That was close. Oh, assistant, you only got me because I wanted you to. Hey, where are you taking me?
Wiggles, you've got to take a bath.
Bath time? Really? You want me to take a bath? Assistant, seriously, you want me to take a bath? So sorry, I'm out of here. Hey, I kind of like water.
Come here, Wiggles!
I kind of like water. Well, maybe the assistant's gonna take a bath. She's the one in the bathtub, not me. Not gonna get me. Oh, she got me. Man, she's got almost all that peanut butter on my face. Assistant, you shouldn't splash. But you're the only one in the bathtub, assistant.
Wiggles, how about you give yourself a bath?
Oh, you want me to take a tub by myself? Okay. Dee-da-doo-da-dee-da. Goo goo gaga, dee-da-dee-da. Ooh, yum yum yum. Goo goo gaga. Ooh, ha ha. Grass. Tastes good. What's that?
No, Wiggles, don't eat the grass!
I can't eat grass? Well, I'm just gonna jump around in this. Man, I'm getting clean. I think I took a bath on accident. Oh boy. There's water.
Hey, assistant, I'm home.
Hi!
Hey, I got your Did you give Wiggles a bath?
Yes, I did.
Was he a good doggy?
Yes, he was.
People at home, was Wiggles a good doggy? Or did he do anything silly?
Yeah, tell us in the comments what the silliest thing he did today.
Yeah, leave a comment so I know what the silliest thing he did. Okay, assistant, here's your money for being a good dog sitter and giving him a bath.
Hey, you should give me some money, too.
I'm happy. I was afraid that Wiggles is going to get the bad boy bone and make him become a bad dog.
Well, there's another problem.
Did he get the bad dog bone?
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Well, hey, people at home, do you want to see more bad Wiggles videos?
But I think the water washed it off.
Oh, the bad dog bone?
Hey, everyone. We've got to go and find Wiggles.
That's right, Wiggles is gone. We've got to find him. Come on, assistant, let's see if we can find Wiggles.
Okay.
Do you see him over here anywhere?
No.
Wiggles. Where could he be? Oh, all right, let's keep looking. Wiggles.
Maybe he's in Mickey's clubhouse.
Yeah, let's go look, see if he's in Mickey's clubhouse.
Hi, assistant.
It's Mickey Mouse. Hey, Mickey, the assistant's looking for Wiggles. Do you have any idea where Wiggles might be?
I heard he went into the spooky fort. Ooh.
The spooky fort? Okay, assistant, let's see if we can find it, okay?
Okay. Bye, Mickey. I'll lead the way to the fort.
Yeah, let's see if we can find that fort. Okay. We've got to find Wiggles. Where could he be? Assistant, where is the fort? Oh, wait a minute. I think we're getting close to something. Is this the fort? That's it.
Yes, this is it.
Let's go inside. Huh, is he in the... Where could he be?
No.
Wait a minute, are you sure? Is he down there?
No. Maybe we'll... Oh, hi, Everett. Hi, assistant.
Oh, look, it's Everest. She's on the slide.
I think I heard Wiggles whispering deep within the fort.
Wiggles is deeper into the spooky fort?
Oh, Everett.
Wow, we need to keep looking, right, assistant?
Right.
Let's go.
Bye, Everett.
Bye, that was some good information, Everest. So Mickey and Everest helped us. All right, so let's look deep inside the fort.
Here.
No. All right. Here's the old tombstone. Do you see him over here?
No, not right there.
Maybe behind it? Where is Wiggles?
I don't see him.
We've got to find him.
Here? It's Wiggles!
Yeah, we've got to find him. Where could Wiggles be? Boy, we are really deep in the fort.
Oh, hi, Arnold.
I wonder if Arnold has seen Wiggles.
Arnold, have you seen Wiggles?
I don't think Arnold knows how to talk. What do you think?
Nah.
All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going, assistant. Over here, maybe? Behind the tombstone?
No, I don't see him.
Let's see. Maybe back there? Where could Wiggles be, assistant?
I
Hmm.
don't know. There he is!
You found him! Whoa, how did Wiggles get put in this little cage? How are we gonna get him out? Whoa, that must be really heavy, assistant.
Yeah, it's super.
Wiggles! Can you get him and get him escape? Wow, Wiggles was being held deep, deep into the fort, wasn't he?
Deep, deep, deep. Hey everyone, who do you think put Wiggles back in this horrible cage?
That's right, how did Wiggles get all the way back here in the deepest part of the fort? can you leave a comment and let us know how he got put back here?
Yeah, let us know.
So, hey, assistant, can you name the 2 characters that we saw that helped us on our journey? They need to leave a comment and say who helped us, right?
Right.
So leave a comment and let us know who the 2 characters were that helped us. And also, what does it say right there, assistant?
Subscribe here to the Engineering Family, and I hope you like this video just like the other one.
That's right, we really hope that you like this video. You follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And give us a thumbs up, not a paw up, that's right. And our secret spelling word is going to be...
Dog.
Dog. D-O-G spells...
Dog.
Dog. So type that in the comments.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day.
Bye. See you next time on the Engineering Family. Bye.
Bye-bye. We got to get Wiggles out of here, assistant. Let's see. How can we get out?
Wiggles. Bye.
I think Wiggles knows the way. Let's follow him.
Okay. Lead the way.
Or maybe he just wants to sniff your leg.
Okay.
Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Timu Mizumi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye.